Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Urbanista Austin wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard factory reset on them and restore the default settings. Now you might want to do this for a variety of reasons. If the earbuds will not connect to Bluetooth, or they keep disconnecting, or they won't sync properly, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, a good troubleshooting step is to do a hard reset on them. Now you will need to set them up again, but if you're ready to do that, we can go ahead and proceed. The first thing to do is to just go to whatever devices you've had them connected to. Go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off and have those devices forget these earbuds. Once we do that, we can go ahead and take the earbuds out of the case, and we're just going to come behind and on the back button, we're just going to press on both of them simultaneously 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you'll tap the button on the back of each earbud simultaneously 7 times, and you will see that the LED indicators will flash 3 times, which means that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and put them in the case, close the lid, open the lid, take them out, and set them up as new earbuds.